If you are annoyed that you can't play or unblock Roblox on your school Chromebook, I'm going to show you exactly how. So when you press Roblox, it says like unblocked by GoGuardian securely and stuff like that. You're going to want to go to a proxy like this. So you can copy the one which is in my web browser and then basically search up educationbluesky.com. And then when you do this, you can either press open in browser or open direct. If you press open direct, it will take really long to load. So press open in browser. When you press open in browser, it will say proxy/VPN detected. Don't worry about that. Then press copy URL. So when you press that, you're going to want to go to a new tab. So just forget the VPN and stuff like that for now and go to a new tab and then take what you have in the browser off and then press Ctrl V and then enter. When you do that, you will see a black screen for a second, but don't worry about that as it's just loading. And then when that happens, the login screen will come on. And yeah, thank you for watching and subscribe.